Well, conspiracy theorist Alex Jones faces his second trial for calling the Sandy Hook Elementary School shooting a hoax.
The first trial was down in Texas, but this one will be held right in Connecticut. Fox 61's Gabby Molina joining us live outside of Waterbury Superior Court tonight with more on what we can expect tomorrow morning. Gabby?
Ben, Jen, starting tomorrow morning, a jury will start to hear arguments to try to determine how much Alex Jones should pay victims of Sandy Hook, families of Sandy Hook victims in damages. Families of the victims of the tragedy at Sandy Hook Elementary School say they've been threatened and harassed because of Alex Jones's public claims, falsely saying the 2012 shooting was a hoax. And now, he'll be facing some of those families in court. Jones, the host of the radio program InfoWars, was found liable for defamation by a Connecticut judge, and a trial to determine how much he owes the plaintiffs will begin Tuesday. 3 lawsuits have been consolidated into one for this trial, which involves the families of 8 Sandy Hook victims and a former FBI agent. Just last month, Jones was ordered to pay nearly $50 million to the parents of one of the Sandy Hook victims in a trial that took place in Texas. Neil Heslin and Scarlett Lewis, the parents of Jesse Lewis, testified during that trial.
I can't even describe the last 9.5 years of the living hell that I and others have had to endure because of the negligence and the recklessness of Alex Jones.
This was an incredibly real event, and I lived it, and it's unbelievable that you would continue to say that it didn't happen.
Victims' relatives are expected to testify in the Connecticut trial. According to Jones' attorney, he's also expected to take the stand. The families say they've been confronted and threatened by Jones' followers, both in person and on social media. The lawsuit alleges defamation, intentional infliction of emotional distress, and violation of the state's Unfair Trade Practices Act. The families have not asked for a specific amount of damages. Now, the trial here in Connecticut is expected to last about 4 weeks. Following this trial, Jones is set to face a different trial in Texas. Live in Waterbury, Gabby Molina, Fox 61 News.